What if becoming financially secure is not about being extremely rich, but about mastering a few simple money habits most people ignore? What if you don't need to be a financial expert to build wealth? You just need systems that work automatically. In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This practical and modern finance book focuses on building wealth through smart habits, automation, conscious spending, investing, and long-term financial behavior rather than extreme budgeting or deprivation. The central message of the book is this: wealth is often built through consistent systems and habits, not through luck or perfect timing. Ramit Sethi emphasizes automating finances, spending intentionally, avoiding unnecessary financial stress, and focusing on long-term growth. The book encourages people to stop feeling ashamed or overwhelmed about money and instead build simple systems that make financial growth easier over time. One major lesson from the book is this: many people obsess over tiny expenses while ignoring the financial decisions that matter most. According to Ramit, negotiating salary, reducing high-interest debt, investing consistently, and increasing income often matter more than cutting every small pleasure. The book strongly promotes automation. Automating savings, bills, and investments reduces stress and inconsistency. Instead of relying only on motivation or discipline, build systems that handle money automatically. Set automatic savings transfers. Automate investments regularly. Reduce emotional decision-making around money. Systems often outperform willpower. One refreshing idea from the book is this: being financially smart does not mean avoiding all enjoyment. Ramit encourages conscious spending. Spend more on things you truly value, while reducing wasteful spending that doesn't improve your life. Here's how to apply these principles. Money should support a meaningful life. Many people delay investing because they feel overwhelmed or afraid of making mistakes. But waiting too long often becomes the bigger mistake. The book highlights how emotions strongly affect financial decisions. Fear, comparison, insecurity, and lifestyle pressure often damage financial health. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is this: a rich life looks different for everyone. For some people, it means freedom, flexibility, family time, travel, creativity, or peace of mind. Define what success means personally to you. Align money habits with your values. Build systems that support long-term freedom and stability. Wealth should support the life you truly want. I Will Teach You to Be Rich reminds us, wealth is not only about earning more money, but about building habits and systems that create long-term freedom, security, and peace of mind. If this message resonated with you, comment "Build Your Rich Life" below as a reminder to create smarter financial habits and long-term financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in personal finance, investing, self-growth, or building a healthier relationship with money today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.